Hey guys! Today I'm making a Strawberry Shortcake themed miniature kitchen for your dolls. I grew up with Strawberry Shortcake, as did my almost 12-year-old daughter, and as we were watching an episode the other day, I thought, yep. Are any of you guys fans? As always, thank you so much to those of you who show me your crafts. It's the coolest thing ever. And kids, do be sure and ask a parent for help when starting this craft. So I start by covering foam board with this printable strawberry wallpaper, which you can access on my website, rainbowtinklesworld.com. I used more foam board to make the countertops and stove, and a sauce container for the sink. I use glitter black craft foam for the stovetop and foam stickers for burners, as well as gems for dials. I paint my container, give it plenty of time to dry, then insert, gluing a section from a small hanger and beads for the faucet. More foam board for the bottom section with craft foam and stickers for detail. I add a section from a Q-tip as the handle and assemble. Then use more foam board, craft foam, and stickers for the cupboards. I make a window using a magazine cutout glued to cardstock with more cardstock trim and craft foam curtain. I double up craft foam for the fridge. Cut out another strip. Trim one side, leaving room for my coffee stirrer hinge. Then glue. Then I make the bottom and shelves by gluing cardboard between craft foam, then place. Cutting out another piece of craft foam for the door. To make the hinge, I glue the top and bottom section of a larger coffee stirrer or straw to a smaller one, leaving the middle section unglued. Then glue to the frame and glue the middle section to the door. Bedazzle with craft foam stickers and puffy stickers. Next, I googled and printed some Strawberry Shortcake characters, glue to craft foam, and place. And for the island, I score more foam board, bend the sides, then glue one section at a time to another piece. And I make the top using packaging material and craft foam. Then make easy stools out of cardboard and craft foam with a base of empty thread containers and buttons. I add accessories from other tutorials. Including my little unicorn trash can. And guys, you are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys!